Emailing a user. So if you go to Site and then to All People, you have the ability to email a user. So you can also use email broadcasts to filter who you want to send an email to, or you can even use email lists that we have in the system. But what I'm showing you today is how to email a user from Site Admin, as if we were talking to one user. So if I wanted to send an email, for instance, to Sally Lepic here, I could just click this little mail icon. This would then bring up the editor where I could type a message inside here and send directly to the user by clicking send. Please note that you can also use images in here and links, and you can also send a test to yourself before sending to the user. And it's as simple as that.